Hello and welcome back once again. This time we are being very consistent as far as a vocabulary session is concerned. So every day 5 words. Today also we've got 5 words with the synonyms and antonyms and a sentence to give you the context, and of course the exercise that follows. And of course you got to download, install iConta app so that you give yourself some chance to win some cash, or if not cash, then some UPI transferred money. You can engage yourself on the app, like by commenting, solving a doubt, even by clicking like on a comment. So you've got all the options. Choose one or maybe all. All right. Before that, now after that, up. Okay, you've got the batches for IPMAT, that is 27-28. Enroll कर सकते हैं आप. और इंडियन मॉम्स, आजकल के बच्चे तो कुछ भी देखते रहते हैं. द शो दैट इंडियन मॉम्स वॉच. VFX अलग लेवल पे चल रहा है नागिन में, ठीक है, तो देखिए बैठ के कभी जब फुर्सत मिले. रिपरकशंस, लेकिन उसके कुछ रिपरकशंस होंगे, रिजल्ट्स, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, आई सपोज. ओके. An unintended consequence of an event or action, especially an unwelcome one, the recoil of something after impact. So you got two usages. एक तो unintended consequences and especially unwelcome ones, and the recoil of something after impact. तो ऐसे टकरा के वापस जाता है, that is a repercussion. All right. Amadi, you must not leave this house. You must not see anybody or talk to anybody. Anything you do could have serious repercussions on future events. तो मार्टी करे क्या बेचारा कुल मिला के. All right, synonyms, you've got consequence, outcome, effect, backlash, aftermath, ripple, and reverberation. All right. So I think we can at least mark this one, reverberation, both in terms of the spelling and the word itself, the meaning. बाकी तो consequence, outcome, effect, backlash, aftermath, ripple सब पता होगा. Ripples तो एक तो वो physics वाले होते हैं जो pond में उठते हैं, ठीक है. Otherwise ripple एक consequence unwelcome one भी हो सकता है. And antonyms, now let us begin. Cause, beginning, origin. तो वो impact का repercussion है, तो impact होना चाहिए ना, पहले शुरुआत करेंगे. तो you got to understand antonyms could be the cause and the word for repercussion, consequence. So cause and effect, cause and consequences. ठीक है. So the first word of the day was repercussions. The conflict between the two countries had political repercussions on the entire region. अब region पूरे दुनिया में, ये US वाले लड़ रहे हैं और असर हम सब पे हो रहा है. Unwelcome consequences, repercussions. ठीक है बेटा, तो यहां से याद रखना. The conflict between the two countries had political repercussions on the entire region. Next word is rammed. भिड़ जाना. I think so. Roughly force something into a place, that is ram. Be very crowded. दूसरा है कि आप बहुत crowded place है, तो that is completely rammed. हालांकि this is what ramming is. Stab, push, force, compress, squeeze, press. Okay, and again I'll say the same thing, that it is not that we have exact synonyms for every other word. Sometimes I simply club the words that are similar. They can be used for similar expressions. Like stabbing is normally used with knife. जैसे यूरोप में बहुत खबरें आती हैं कि कोई रैंडम बंदा जाके स्टैब कर गया 6-7 लोगों को ऑन अ बिजी स्ट्रीट में भी, ठीक है, तो वो दैट इज स्टैबिंग. फाइन. पुश, फोर्स, कंप्रेस, स्क्वीज एंड प्रेस, दे ऑल belong to the same category of expressions, that is rammed, though the usage will be slightly different for all of them. Simba. Okay, antonyms: protect, uncompress and refrain. ठीक है, तो रैम तो बुम स्ट्राइक मार रहा है, और ये इधर एंटोनिम में जा रहे हैं तो हम प्रोटेक्ट कर दे रहे हैं. द लायन किंग. द फुटबॉल प्लेयर रैम्ड इनटू हिज ओपोनेंट, नॉकिंग हिम टू द ग्राउंड. अब तो रूल्स बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हो गए हैं फीफा में फाउलिंग के, तो इफ यू टच द स्ट्राइकर फ्रॉम बिहाइंड तो येलो कार्ड मिल जाता है. फाउल तो होता ही है प्रॉब्ली, बट in 1986 when Diego Maradona was at his peak, the only way to stop that man was bring him down. तो रूल्स इतने स्ट्रिक्ट नहीं थे, तो बहुत मारते थे यार उसको. बॉल मिला नहीं कि धार से लात मार के गिरा दिया, ठीक है, लात मारी, कोहनी मारी, कुछ भी मारी. Had Maradona played in today's era with such strict rules against the defenders, I think impossible to stop that man. Even if you rammed into him, he would not fall. Tandem, jode mein. All right. This is Golmaal hai. Sorry, this is the new Golmaal. Okay. A bicycle with seats and pedals for two riders, one behind the other. इसमें तो खैर बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, टैंडम का भी टैंडम बना दिया इन्होंने, बट नॉर्मली टैंडम पेयर की बात करते हैं, तो एक राइडर आगे है, एक राइडर पीछे है. Alright, having two things arranged, one in front of the other. That is tandem. Like in lawn tennis, na? If you are interested in lawn tennis, you must be interested in some sport, beta. कुछ तो उसमें जो doubles का game होता है ना, I'll just draw this one. So the server is here and his partner is standing here, ठीक? But if they decide कि partner भी यहाँ खड़ा रहेगा, one behind the other, then this is called a tandem formation. Otherwise, normal formation, server यहाँ पे है और उसका partner net पे थोड़ा तिरछा खड़ा होता है. That is tandem. Arrangement, team or pair, okay. Antonym, single, individual, one या फिर teammate. I mean, tandem and teammate, obviously, here when you talk about the teammate, but you want to talk about individual, one guy. ठीक है, तो exactly synonym नहीं है, but हाँ, अकेले की बात करता है, tandem में pair हो जाता है. They would make a tandem parachute jump with a qualified parachutist. All right, तो जब jump कर रहे हैं तो inexperienced बंदे को अकेले ही नहीं jump करा दे रहे हैं. There is one expert parachutist. तो दो लोग as a pair, one after the one behind the other, ऐसे करके jump करेंगे. ठीक है. Abject, I think extreme हो जाता है. Yeah, of something bad, experienced or present to the maximum degree of a person or their behavior, completely without pride or dignity, self-abasing. खुद की बेइज्जती जैसे. मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया, इतना लाइफ. This is from the movie Queen. You must watch it, यार, if you haven't. All right, one of the finest movies that I have seen. एक self discovery की picture है. A young girl goes all out on a trip after her marriage doesn't actually take place. She decides to go to Europe on her own, and वहाँ पे she explores herself. बहुत बढ़िया मूवी बनाया यार, देखना. तो वहीं पे शराब पी लिया है, तो मेरा तो इतना लाइफ खराब हो गया है. All right, abject, wretched, miserable, pitiful, hopeless and pathetic. बेटा wretched सुना होगा, देखा होगा, ठीक है, नहीं है तो मार्क कर लीजिएगा. बाकी सारे I think I believe that you know it. And antonyms happy हो जाएगा, या commendable, proud, worthy और exalted. Exalted पहले भी आ चुका है. All right, when you are keeping someone on a higher pedestal, that is exalted. All right, so this is the opposite. Again, not exactly, but similarly. Sentence मिलता है, 1 in 5 people in the world live in abject poverty. बेटा maximum degree of poverty, यहाँ मतलब खाने पीने का भी उनके पास शायद नहीं होता है. Extreme poverty. कितने लोग यार? 1 in 5. तो 1/5 of the population of the world lives in abject poverty. Nabbed, पकड़े गए गुरु. Catch something wrong, catch someone doing something wrong, take, grab or steal something. अभी ना they haven't paid the rent to the lady and they were having a pizza as she walks in. So one of them throws the pizza and it is sticking on the ceiling. और वो कहती है कि जिसने किया है वो आगे आ जाए. तो nobody is moving ahead, all are going back, this guy stands. आदि मानव, this is I think character is मानव. This is धमाल, अरे amazing movie है, ठीक है. तो ये पकड़ेगा भाई साहब. Catch, capture, apprehend, yes, apprehend मार्क कर लो बेटा, इस सेंस में यूज करते हैं इसको, पकड़े जाने, nabbed, that is apprehend. Arrest and seize. All right. Antonyms. All right, Simpson, you are free to go. Free, liberate, lose or release. Very simple. Baby Brown was nabbed at his daughter's cheerleading competition on a warrant for failing to appear at a child support hearing in October 2006. So Bobby Brown was captured, nabbed at his daughter's cheerleading competition. गया था बेटी के प्यार में, चला देखने, पकड़ लिया वहां पे यार. All right, repercussions, consequences, mostly the unwelcome ones. Rammed, to bang into. Tandem, pair. Abject, extreme. And nabbed, captured. All right. The first sentence. This was a serious matter, the possible of which needed careful कंसिडरेशन, सीरियस मैटर था. द पॉसिबल ऑफ विच, I think of all the words that we have here, the best answer is the possible repercussion, the consequences of that. तो एक बार स्पेलिंग मेरे को भी देखना पड़ेगा. REPERCUSSION, the possible repercussion, the consequence of which needed careful consideration. मतलब एक thought देना पड़ेगा. Next, the stolen car into the front of the house. तो कार है तो banged, rammed. Third, his arrest was part of a series of raids that a total of 22 suspected bootleggers around the city, जो illegal alcohol शायद बेच रहे हैं. All right, okay. His arrest was part of a series of raids that पकड़े गए. I think the best option that we have left is nabbed. 26 people were caught. During the competition, the horses walked in by showing off their beauty one after the other. So the horses walked in tandem, pair में एक के पीछे एक आ रहे हैं. The horses walked in tandem by showing off their beauty one after the other. The financial situation suggests that they had started to move out of poverty. Suggests कि उनकी poverty जो extreme poverty थी उससे शायद निकल के आ गए हैं. तो their financial situation suggests that they had started to move out of abject poverty. And here we are. यही एक साल मेहनत कर लो फिर जिंदगी भर आराम करना, झूठ है ये. All right. So you got to keep working hard all your life. And yes, of course, you start with joining the appropriate batches. 27, 28, IPMAT. देख लो. Bye bye.